everybody. We are going to make these shaving cream earths today to help us celebrate the planet that we live on. Now, in our shaving cream, we're gonna put some blue to represent the water and oceans and seas and all the different types of water we have on Earth. And the green is for the land, for the mountains, for the dirt, for everywhere that we live. So let's get started. First, you need a piece of paper. I drew a circle on mine. I'm just gonna cut it out with my scissors. Now, the Earth in real life is actually a 3D shape. It's a sphere that could be picked up and moved around like a soccer ball. This is a 2D shape because it's flat. But for our art project, we're gonna pretend that this is the Earth, even though it's a 2D shape. I'm gonna put some shaving cream. Now, the great thing about this project is the shaving cream smells so good. It smells nice and clean. Now, we're gonna put some green and some blue colored dye in there. And this is just food dye that you might have at your home already. And you're just gonna make little drops all over. Now, because the Earth is made up of mostly water, I'm gonna put more blue than I would green. That's to show that all of our oceans that we have, the rivers, the streams, the brooks, the meadows, the lakes, the seas, all of those are bodies of water. It can take, if you have a popsicle stick at home, you could use that, or a knife. I'm just gonna use my pen and we're gonna swirl the colors. Don't mix it too much or it just turns brown and gross. So just go slow and gentle. Okay, I'm gonna stop before it turns brown because I've done this before and I get too excited about the mixing and it just ends up really gross looking. We're gonna put our circle on top and just gently press down. I said circle, but I should say our earth because this is gonna be our earth here. Gently press down, and if you look carefully, you can see the colors coming through. Okay, now this is the messy part. You guys ready? We're gonna gently peel it off, and you're gonna take a ruler, or you could take a plastic knife or anything that has a straight edge, and you're gonna scrape it off. Beautiful. And that is how you make a shaving cream earth. Now this you could hang up inside of your home. You have to let it dry for a little bit, but then it's ready to put wherever you would like. One of the most important things about Earth Day is that we practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So today we're gonna reduce our waste. We're not just gonna throw away our shaving cream, we're gonna reuse it for another project. So first, we're gonna do some painting. It out here in the sun, another great part of our earth, to let it dry, and when it's finished, we'll cut it out so we have another type of earth. Now, next up, we're gonna keep reusing our shaving cream here because we still have some left over, and I looked up a recipe to make some slime. So I hope this works out. All right, VCU, the moral of this story: do not add too much activator solution. When you add too much activator, your slime turns into little pieces instead of sticking together. Now, I'm still gonna keep this because it's fun to play with, but if you're making slime at home, don't do like I did. Just add a little bit and then wait. I was super disappointed that I ruined my slime, so I'm gonna try and fix it. Now, I read online that if I add warm water and mix it in, it will help. We did it! We fixed the slime! Okay, now here's how I did it. When I told you that I read online about warm water, it was saying that the chemical reaction between our activator solution and the baking soda caused the slime to heat up. Now, we don't feel that heat because it's tiny at the molecule level, but when you add the warm water, if it's warm enough, it heats the slime back up and lets it become a solid again instead of, or I guess one solid, instead of lots of little pieces. But our water wasn't warm enough, so it still didn't work. So instead, I microwaved it. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds just to get it warm, not hot, just warm, and then mixed it, and it worked. It helped our slime get warm enough that the chemical reaction could bond back together. So cool! I'm so excited that it worked. So now we can keep using all of our ingredients. I was worried we would have to throw it out, but I'm happy that worked. So if you try these at home, enjoy some Earth Day activities and let me know if you make your own slime.